I'm not saying I'm the most awkward person on earth, but if there were awards for things like most likely to choke while saying hi or best flusher of all time, I'd be sweeping the floor with my acceptance speech. If I didn't pass out first. Hi, I'm Emily Harper. I'm 16 and I have a dream. Not just any dream. I want to be a spoken word poet. Yeah, I know. Weird dream for someone who can't say her name without sounding like she's swallowed a whistle. It all started when I watched this viral video of a girl my age performing a poem about being invisible in school. Her voice shook a little, but she stood there like she owned the stage. Something inside me just clicked. I thought, if she can do it, maybe I can too. Then I remembered I couldn't even order my own food at a cafe without whispering like a haunted ghost. So naturally, I kept writing poems, secretly, in a notebook with a neon banana cover, because nothing says deep emotion like radioactive fruit. Anyway, enter the talent show. I didn't sign up. Of course not. I'm not insane. My best friend Chloe did it for me. You'll thank me later, she said with this guilty smile that instantly told me I would not in fact be thanking her later or ever. You know I get clammy just thinking about people looking at me, I hissed, clutching my banana notebook like a shield. Emily, it's time. You're amazing and the world needs to hear your words, she said, dramatically flinging her ponytail like she was in a shampoo commercial. Fast forward to the night of the show. I'm backstage, knees doing their own version of tap dance. My palms are so sweaty I could probably water a plant just by clapping. Then the MC says my name. Emily Harper, performing an original poem titled Brighter Than Fear. Oh my God, that's me. I walk onto the stage, sort of, more like shuffle and pray not to trip. The mic is taller than me. I adjust it and it screeches. Everyone winces. Great start. The lights hit my face and suddenly the whole audience is a blur of shadows. I freeze for exactly 3.7 seconds. And then I hear Chloe's voice from the wings. You've got this, Em. And I remember the words. Not just the poem's lines, but the feeling behind them. The night I wrote it, after a panic attack in the school bathroom, I scribbled, Fear tells me I'm a whisper in a hurricane, but I've learned to yell back with thunder. My voice starts off shaky, but it grows. With every verse I remember, I am the girl who wrote this. I lived it. This is mine. By the last line, I'm not even looking at my notebook. I look out into the lights like they're not even there, and the applause. It doesn't just sound nice, it feels like something shifted inside me. Afterward, someone from the school magazine comes up to me and says, That was incredible. You spoke what I've always felt. And I think, wow, this is what it feels like when your dream finally outshines your fear. I don't know what's next, but I do know this. I might still stutter while ordering a smoothie, but on stage, I roar.